Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can add captions like this to your videos. You can do this on your mobile, PC, or Mac as well. You only need a video on which you want to add captions and an internet connection. So let's dive into the tutorial. First, go to Google and search for KapWing. I'll also provide the link in the description. Then, visit that website. Then you need to click on the Sign In button. After signing in, click on the Create New button, then click on Click to Upload and select your video. Then look at the left side of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Subtitles. Click on it. Next, click on Auto Subtitle. Then, choose the original language in which you created your video. Then, choose the language in which you want to create your subtitles or captions. Next, click on the Auto Subtitles button. It takes some time depending on your video length and internet speed. After that, you'll see that the captions have been added to your video. If you want to add or remove anything from the text, you can do that as, well, you can also change the text format if needed. I'll tell you to place your subtitles in the middle or just above the bottom, because the free version adds a watermark at the bottom, which you can crop out during editing. Once you've completed your editing, click on Export Project. Then click on Export as MP4. It takes some time depending on your network speed. After the loading is complete, click on the Download button and your video will be downloaded. If you have any questions related to this, you can ask by commenting, and I'll respond within 24 hours. That's all for today. If you liked the video, please like it, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching till the end.